In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Inter-Ministerial Investment Committee reviews the proposal for a 3,000-unit residential township in Pashto, Kunduz province. Residential land plots distributed to 1,163 returning families across 5 provinces of Afghanistan. And Russia continues its attacks on Ukraine. Welcome to Daily News Packages of Wednesday, the 21st of Safar Muzaffar 1448, the 14th of Asad 1405, and the 5th of August 2026. The news details. The Inter-Ministerial Investment Committee has reviewed the proposal to develop a residential township with a capacity of 3,000 housing units in Pashto, Kunduz province. According to the Office of the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs, the project was recognized as both economically significant and responsive to the existing housing needs. The proposal has been referred to the designated technical committee for a comprehensive evaluation. The committee has been tasked with examining technical and financial aspects of the project and submitting its findings within the specified time frame. The committee also considered a proposal to construct a mixed-use commercial and residential market complex in Mazar Sharif, the capital of Balkh province. That proposal has likewise been referred to the designated committee for a detailed assessment before a final report is submitted to the Inter-Ministerial Investment Committee. Afghanistan's Minister of Urban Development and Housing has announced the distribution of residential land plots to 1,163 returning families across 5 provinces as a part of the efforts to provide permanent resettlement. Based on the ministry, 693 families in Nangarhar, 108 in Pektika, 112 in Nimruz, 150 in Faryab, and 100 households in Bamiyan have received residential and land plots. The ministry added that so far a total of 65,154 returning families throughout the country have been allocated residential plots, with the distribution process continuing across the country. The news continuation. Mullah Muhammad Yunus Akhundzadeh, Afghanistan's Minister of Water and Energy, has signed an agreement worth nearly $2 million with an implementing organization to finance and carry out a series of water infrastructure projects. The Ministry of Water and Energy stated that under the agreement, the project will be completed over a 2-year period in Spinqar, the district of Nangarhar province. The initiative includes the construction of 10 check dams, 3 water reservoirs, 3 diversion weirs, 3 irrigation canals, and the rehabilitation of 1 traditional underground water channel qanat system. And ultimately, CNN citing Ukraine's state emergency service reports that Russia launched attacks on Kiev and its surrounding areas early this morning. According to the report, 15 people were killed and more than 50 others were injured in the strikes. The news conclusion, blessing time. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.